Hello YouTube, good afternoon. I got a chainsaw that I'm doing a video on right here that I think you guys will like. This is the Big Daddy of, I believe, Shindaiwa's line of chainsaws. Let me take this guard off for you. Maybe. Okay. Take this guard off for you. That way we can see. That thing is massive. The guard don't fit all the way on here, by the way. Set that guard to the side. I can't read that, but I believe that's a 20-inch. I believe. Not 100% sure. But I believe it's longer than my forearm, so I'm guessing that's maybe a 20 to 22 inch bar. This is the 491 Shindaiwa, or 591 Shindaiwa 591, excuse me. But this is a massive saw. I'm gonna go over some of the stuff. Of course, this does have a greasable bar. That's probably a 3-inch wide bar. This here, so there's your fuel tank. That's what it looks like up close. Your bar chain oil goes right there. 591. This thing is heavy, I'll tell you that. I'm not sure what that button does. We'll see. Does it come out? No, it don't come out. I'm not sure what that is. If anybody knows what that is, please leave it in the comments because I'm not for sure. But here's the bar sizes. It'll take 18, 20, and a 24. So that's a pretty decent sized bar. This is like the 491 with the stops down, ups run. This is your choke. Yeah, right here's your choke. Pull that out, it chokes it. Of course, when you pull the trigger, it goes back in. Nice ergonomic handle. It's got a really good, looks like a really good dampering system on it. It's a heavy saw. Chain brake. It's got the teeth there to hold it on the log if you need to. But yeah, this is a massive saw. It's got another one that's real easy. Here, let me get this to where real easy to get to the air filter. You just unscrew this. It's all one piece. You got your air filter. Air filter just slides off like that. Real simple. Spark plugs right there. And then your cold weather. I'm wondering if that button operates your cold weather somehow. From the way it looks, it might, but I'm not sure how it works. So, but I couldn't tell you on how that works, but we'll put this back on. We'll put this back on, maybe. Took it off and don't know how it goes back on. I guess there's meant to be a gap in between there. But this is the big saw that they make, which also is probably similar to the big one that Echo makes, which they really say is a literal beast. Again, it's got the chain adjustment on the outside, which is, I like it. Some people don't. I mean, I guess it comes down to the matter of preference on who does it. But I'm sorry, I know this video ain't the best video, but I'm trying my best here. I'm trying to find what CC it is. Well, I can let you guys know I don't have a lot of room in here to work. All I see is emission stuff. I'm looking for the plate that has the CCs on it. There's the exhaust. The exhaust right there. Looks pretty restrictive. Normally they say the CC's on them somewhere. I'm not seeing them on this. I don't see the plate. If anybody knows the CC's on this, please leave it in the comments, because I'm kind of curious. It's got to be at least, I'd say, 50 to 60 some CC's. Well, we'll turn this around so I can flip it over so you guys can check out the bottom. Again, it's got the oil adjuster. It's hiding right there. It's really deep down in there. It's not as easy to get to as they are on the 491S. But it's there. This is definitely the big boy. Of them. Oh, and I see what size this is. It's a 18-inch bar, 45 centimeters and 50 thousandths of an inch. I'm not sure what all that means, but that's what that says there on that plate. So it's only got an 18-inch bar on it, but you can go up to 20 to 24 on it. I wish I could run this thing, but again, this is a new saw and not a demo, so I don't get to try these out. So if you like my videos, please hit like or subscribe and hit the bell for new videos coming out. I'll be uploading this video today, and there will be more to come. I'll try to get out at least 1 to 2 every week. And everyone have a great day. Bye.